Bryce youngin.
This is Mariya.
And what's your name, little boy?
Bryce.
Ooh, y'all. Today we bringing y'all the highly requested Famous Dave's Mukbang. And I'm hungry. So without further ado, we're about to chow down. I hope y'all like it. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'll talk to y'all in a minute.
We got the famous devil eggs by my granny. And we got some cornbread.
And we got some cornbread. You want to eat your cornbread?
No, I go eat this cornbread.
See, you know you touched two of them.
Yeah, we're going to make that yours.
You touched both of these.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Which one is yours, Bryce?
Y'all gonna give him some food?
Bryce, you just touched the other one.
He touched both of them already.
Yeah.
Bryce.
Boys. Hey, I don't read it.
Bryce, you going to eat some?
Yeah.
I'm about to give me some devil eggs.
Okay,
Well, he don't like the barbecues, so he just gonna eat the.
Bryce ain't even really tasted
I
for
know.
real. He know darn well he grew up off these barbecues.
You even did it.
Huh, Bryce, you don't want no barbecue? You gonna just eat the cornbread?
It's cornbread.
Just cornbread. Well, you gonna tell the camera how good it is when you start tasting it? Okay, so you eat some and you tell them how good it tastes. And I'm gonna be here quiet as a bird.
Well, y'all supposed to have conversation during these mukbangs.
Oh, okay.
This is turned to ASMR. Don't watch me, just listen. It's good? You like it? Okay,
Good.
then. If you like it, I love it.
Yeah,
I love it.
it's sweet. First.
It's sweet.
Is
I
that the
can't
yolk?
even taste
That
it. I
stuff?
can't even taste it.
Get your feet off of me.
It's good.
Why
I'm
y'all
tasting
beefing?
it.
Is this relish?
Is it
Is that relish?
I think so.
Ooh.
I'm so hungry, y'all. I could eat a
ain't
cow.
nothing.
This is cow, ain't it?
No, it's pig.
Oops, never mind. I'll go back to school in the morning.
I am.
It's good.
I'm going back to 4th grade.
Oh,
I'm in 4th grade.
you can't rewind.
No, I'm in.
What's
no,
up,
I haven't
Cheeto
flunked. I'm in
Gang?
4th grade.
Welcome to Bryce video.
Bryce, you gonna make your own channel?
I want a gaming channel.
What y'all gonna talk about?
I'm gonna play
What's up,
Fortnite,
Walking Game?
Roblox.
Tree Wonkin game? You gonna play Robot?
But I'm mostly play Fortnite because it's my favorite game. And then I'm gonna probably play some games on the Nintendo.
What, that little Nintendo thing?
Mama said it's mine now.
The Bryce don't be playing with it. I seen at Family Dollar they had this little Sega Genesis game for like $20.
How could we be the playing
what
like
that
that?
mean?
Some little game. I need to play it. It's Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh, I'll take that.
This meat is so good.
This is how you play it. How you play it?
Sonic,
Huh?
I could show you, babe. I could tell you, young buck.
Okay. Hey, get in there.
You ain't gonna eat no
Open
ribs,
wide.
Bryce?
Open wide, please.
You not gonna eat no rib?
Hmm?
You ain't gonna eat no rib?
It's real good.
We're going to eat the nuts off.
No,
Huh?
It's eat the nuts.
All right. All right, then. Whatever makes you happy. Whatever makes you happy, kiddo.
What is relish made out of? Pickles?
Okay, go open the box.
I rarely eat.
I don't like relish.
It makes the devil egg good.
Huh?
It makes the devil egg good.
Yeah.
Ooh. This food's so good.
Let's do another video.
We already doing a video.
It's so good. Right, why you ain't eating?
He about to go.
Can we do another video?
He's such a granddaddy.
Another video.
Oh, that part burned.
Yeah, it's spicy a little bit.
Oh, we're doing an eating video.
Yeah. That's why you gotta eat.
Eating video.
You know this your dinner, right?
Yes, dinner time.
So you just gonna eat cornbread for dinner.
Right.
Yeah, it's dinner time.
We used to eat like at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, you're supposed to eat dinner. It's dinner time. Smoking time.
Smoking.
Smoking. Smoking party.
Party time.
Party time. Smoking party time.
Wait.
You out like this. Wait.
Why you remixing people moving?
Here's smoking time.
Parents smoking time, Bryce?
Oh.
Morning time.
What?
Y'all went to school today?
Yeah.
No.
Y'all have fun at y'all parents' house?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. I said no. Yeah.
What you do this weekend, mama?
I went to my cousin's birthday party.
Yeah.
Two of them.
Happy birthday, two cousins.
Happy birthday.
Bryce, what
Trinity and Macy, and we went to Air
Happy
Downs
birthday, Erica.
and a hotel. And it was fun. We went skating. I was gone.
you do? For real?
Mm-hmm.
I was skating.
Bryce, get your feet off of me.
I'm not even put your feet on you.
Yes, it is, because they on my chair.
Why y'all got a beef? Can we all just get along?
Because he the one who trying to do stuff. It's always him.
Stop.
I'm trying to put my leg down.
Stop.
Move.
Stop.
How I'm going to stop when you the one putting your feet on me?
Stop.
Leave me alone.
Can we all just get along?
Stop.
Move.
Stop.
Bryce, stop.
I was telling him to stop.
Not to him.
It's her, Bryce. She's a girl. You a boy. Her.
Stop.
Her.
Stop.
Oh, Erica, you uploaded
I'm putting this back
uploaded that
on.
video when we was at Chinese.
Chattanooga.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, kids, I ate all my food.
No, you didn't. You didn't eat nothing.
Look what's on his plate, y'all. Poor boy.
No.
He gonna be bony.
You gonna see his ribs.
Mm-hmm. Meanwhile, we're eating all ours. Aren't you surprised I haven't touched my cornbread? Y'all know how much I love my cornbread. I'm holding off.
I only took one bite of mine.
I'm trying to be classy.
Is it some more?
Mm-hmm.
I can get another one.
She should have made 20 of these.
Okay. You gonna eat your cornbread?
Mm-hmm.
How about I eat your cornbread?
Ooh! He gonna eat my cornbread.
How about I eat your cornbread?
Ooh! She said gonna eat my cornbread.
How it changed to a he from a sheep? I mean, a sheep from,
Spices.
Bryce, I posted the video of you
I don't
eating your
care.
chicken.
Oh, huh?
I posted your video of you eating your chicken.
And he said, I don't care. You don't even know what we're talking about.
That's where those kids born. That's where those
Remember when
Crazy.
we made you throw your ice cream away?
Hmm?
When we made you throw your ice cream away, you was like, huh!
Mm-hmm, you all laughed.
You remember?
Where the stuff from? What's this
And
red?
I'm
What
not
that
going
red
in the
stuff?
garbage can,
Remix.
No, he said.
Ream.
Well, I'm full.
Done.
Done. I won.
I won.
No.
I win.
Mm-mm. No.
I won.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I did.
Mm-mm.
I won. Wait on
Where's
my food.
Where's our waiter? Where's our waiter?
I'm gonna eat another one. I want another one.
You need to eat the one. No, Bryce.
No, your phone just turned off.
I want another one.
Bryce. Why didn't you eat yours?
I ate mine.
All right, guys.
Why you been trying?
As you can see, we're at the
Can I
end.
get another one?
No, you ain't even ate yours. No, I don't care if you touch it.
There at the end.
I'm at the.
I will. No, I won. Whoever was the first one to be finished with their hands clean, they won.
No, because you used the napkin.
I don't got no napkin.
As y'all can tell, I'm bougie. Please. I don't mingle with the help.
I'm
No.
still a bad boy.
Waiter!
No, the first one who ate the most food wins. And I ate
And I did. Look at
Party
that.
time!
I ate first.
Where's our waiter? LeeLee?
Where's our
We
later?
want to Leah Horton.
Where's our later?
Come
My
clean
granny
up.
told me a million days.
What
Mom,
is
nobody
our
eats away.
later?
Bryce, get up and eat.
Peasant,
Aw, man. I thought I was finished.
come do your service.
Y'all got me so
I thought I was finished.
All right, guys. We're finished.
I'm not.
If you like this mukbang and you want to see another one, and you got any other suggestions on any other videos,
ASMR.
make sure you comment down below, you like, and you subscribe. Gang, gang.
Oh
my God! We're listening to Bryce. Say it again, Bryce.
What the fuck crap is this?
Bryce.